This month on Real Pilates, we're diving into the hip bones, the knees, the shins, and some of the foot bone and movements. These are basic ideas that most of us kind of take for granted, and there are all kinds of hidden little things that people don't know. What supports the arch of your foot? Why is it important for the knee and for the neck and for the shoulder? Oh, oh, how come some people can get their leg all the way up here and other people struggle to get it down there? What is good about it? What is bad about it? What's the difference? Is it important that your knees don't hurt and ache you now at this young age if you're under 80? Yes. Should your knees hurt you when you're over 80? No. This is Pilates Master Nikki. Find out the answer to all of these things and more this month on Real Pilates. I'll see you in class.